Assalamu alaikum dear students. Students, before this we have done with the revision of the previous chapter. Today we are starting with pollution of air and water. So dear students, first of all my question arises that what do you understand by the word pollution? What do we understand by the word pollution? So dear students, let me give you the definition. Pollution means contamination. First of all, let me explain you. What do you mean by contamination? So dear students, contamination means addition. Contamination means addition. Okay. So contamination of our environment with the undesired material. Undesired मतलब जिसकी इच्छा हमें न हो. You know, we don't like that material to be added in our environment. Contamination of unwanted, undesired material into the atmosphere which is harmful. Okay, it is harmful not only for living but also for non-living, and that is known as pollution. So dear students, contamination हो जाता है हमारे environment का. Okay, environment consists of air, that is we call that air pollution. Also we have the water, we call it as a water pollution. Also dear students, we are living on the earth, that is our soil. We also have the soil pollution and we also have the noise pollution. We are having a different types of the pollution. So dear students, you know, basically any particular things which are having addition of the unwanted substance, we call it as a pollution. Okay, my next definition for today is pollutant. What do you understand by the word pollutant? Dear student, pollutant क्या होता है? Pollutant means the material which is added in our environment. ठीक है, वो material जिसकी वजह से pollution होता है, we call it as a pollutant. Okay, for example, different gases which are mixing in our air, those are the pollutant. We can say that those are the air pollutant. Fine. So dear student, this is the explanation for your pollutant. Okay. For different pollution, different pollutants are responsible. Now in this chapter, dear student, let me tell you, as I told you that there are so many types of the pollution. We are having air pollution, soil pollution, water pollution, okay, noise pollution. Noise pollution is unwanted sound. Okay, the sound which is having a harmful effect on our body. You know, you may be thinking that sound हमारी body पे कैसे effect कर सकता है. ठीक है, तो dear students, sound अगर आपको पता है, अगर बहुत loud noise हम बहुत देर तक सुने तो हमें headache होने लगता है, and that is particularly we call it as a pollution. We call it as a we call it as a noise pollution. Okay, so dear students, let me tell you, in this chapter basically we are studying only about the two types of the pollution, air pollution and water pollution. So first of all we will talk about the air pollution. Now dear students, see to it, we have studied the chapter combustion and flame. कंबशन एंड फ्लेम चैप्टर में हमने क्या पढ़ा था, दैट हम बहुत अलग अलग टाइप के फ्यूल्स यूज़ करते हैं. फॉर एग्जांपल कुकिंग के लिए फ्यूल यूज़ करते हैं, फॉर ट्रांसपोर्टेशन वी आर यूजिंग फ्यूल्स, ऑल्सो फॉर रनिंग द फैक्ट्रीज एंड इंडस्ट्रीज वी आर यूजिंग द फ्यूल्स. सो डियर स्टूडेंट्स, इफ़ वी टॉक अबाउट द एयर पॉल्यूशन, ये जितनी भी लिस्ट है जहाँ जहाँ पे हम फ्यूल यूज़ करते हैं वहाँ से पॉल्यूटेंट एटमॉस्फेयर में कंबाइन होते हैं और हमारा एटमॉस्फेयर स्पॉइल होने लगता है, एंड दैट इज़ व्हाट वी कॉल इट एज अ एयर पॉल्यूशन. अच्छा, इसके हिसाब से जिस वाली कंट्री में या जिस वाली सिटी में सबसे ज़्यादा व्हीकल्स होंगे या सबसे ज़्यादा फैक्ट्रीज़ होंगी, वो वाला एरिया सबसे ज़्यादा पॉल्यूटेड होगा. फॉर एग्जाम्पल इफ़ वी टॉक अबाउट दिल्ली, सी दिल्ली इज़ वेरी वेरी हाईली पॉपुलेटेड. वहाँ पे इंडस्ट्रीज़ भी बहुत सारी है, पॉपुलेशन भी बहुत सारी है, इसलिए वहाँ पर व्हीकल्स भी बहुत सारे हैं. सो डियर स्टूडेंट्स, बिकॉज ऑफ दैट यू नो पॉल्यूशन इज़ एट द वेरी लार्ज स्केल, एंड यू नो इन दिस विंटर व्हाट हैपन्स, जनरली दिस फॉग You know, early in the morning we are able to see the fog. So in winter there will be large amount of the fog in that particular place. So जहाँ पे ज़्यादा pollution है वहाँ पर ज़्यादा fog भी होता है. Okay, that is the adverse effect we could say. Now next to this, pay attention. In the air pollution, we are just listing of various type of the activities. You know, we are having number of activities because of which the environment is contaminated. Okay, so here the question is over here that, you know, when air is contaminated by unwanted substances which have harmful effect on both living and non-living, it is referred as air pollution. Now dear students, how does air gets polluted? The substance which contaminate air are called air pollutants. तो जितने भी substance air में जाते हैं और air को spoil करते हैं हम उसे air pollutant बुलाएंगे. Okay. Now dear students, you are able to see in the picture that there is a smoke coming out from the chimneys. So these chimneys are responsible for the air pollution. Okay. Then you are able to see that the vehicles are there and vehicles are releasing the exhaust. Okay. So there is large amount of the smokes coming out from the vehicles and we also call it as a air pollution. So dear students, the number of the factories, the number of the pollution will increase, the number of vehicles, the number of pollution will be increased. So generally dear students, what we need to understand that this air pollution are very harmful for us. Okay, what would happen if we are breathing such kind of the air? So dear students, many respiratory problems are caused by the air pollution. For example, asthma, or also you can say that the breathing difficulties may be there. One more important thing, by burning the fuels, we are releasing the carbon dioxide. Okay, हमें पता है फ्यूल्स जब भी जलते हैं तो एक पर्टिकुलर गैस वहाँ से रिलीज होता है, that is carbon dioxide. And dear students, I hope you all know that carbon dioxide is responsible for the greenhouse effect. Okay, and greenhouse effect की वजह से क्या होगा? Global warming. So dear students, ultimately one topic is combining with the another one. It has a relation over there. Now dear students, if we talk in detail about the things, or we can say the problems which are arising over here, we can say that the air pollution is from the different sources. Okay, you know, in the village the people are using the wood for cooking the fuels. Also in the marriages we are able to see that wooden logs are used for cooking the food. It means that wood is when burning, you know, black color smoke is coming out, and that particular is creating the air pollution. It means number of human activities. There are so many activities because of which the air is getting polluted. Dear students, it is not always that human activities, but sometimes natural calamities are also there which is creating the air pollution. For example, we can say that volcanic eruption और दी फॉरेस्ट फायर. ठीक है, फॉरेस्ट में फायर लग गई हो तो यू नो पूरा फॉरेस्ट जल जाता है, एंड इन दैट केस व्हेन द प्लांट्स आर बर्निंग अ डिफरेंट काइंड ऑफ द गैसेज आर रिलीज फ्रॉम दैट एंड इट स्पॉइल्स द environment. So dear student, in our next video we will be talking from the next particular concept over there here. Have a good day ahead.